Hi there, and welcome to day 14 of English Boost. Today, we're exploring the exciting topic of shopping. Whether you're at a store or shopping online, knowing the right words can make your experience much smoother. Let's learn 10 new vocabulary words and practice them together. Vocabulary and practice. 1. Budget. A budget is the amount of money you plan to spend. Example: she always sets a budget before going shopping. Now you try. Budget. Excellent. 2. Discount. A discount is a reduction in the price of something. Example: the store is offering a 20% discount on clothes. Now you try. Discount. Great job. 3. Browse. To browse means to look around casually without a specific goal. Example: I love to browse the shelves in a bookstore. Now you try. Browse. Well done. 4. Cart. Cart is a container on wheels used to hold items while shopping. Example: my cart is full of groceries for the week. Now you try. Cart. Fantastic. 5. Receipt. A receipt is a document showing proof of purchase. Example: don't forget to take your receipt after payment. Now you try. Receipt. Wonderful. 6. Customer. Customer is someone who buys goods or services. Example: the shop assistant helped the customer find the right size. Now you try. Customer. Excellent. 7. Cashier. Cashier is the person who collects payment at a store. Example: cashier gave me the correct change. Now you try. Cashier. Great job. 8. Exchange. To exchange means to return a purchased item and get something else instead. Example: she exchanged the sweater for a smaller size. Now you try. Exchange. Well done. 9. Affordable. Affordable means reasonably priced or not too expensive. Example: this store has affordable options for everyone. Now you try. Affordable. Fantastic. 10. Queue. Queue is a line of people waiting for something. Example: there was a long queue at the checkout counter. Now you try. Queue. Excellent. Great work. Now let's use all these words in a short paragraph. Remember to pay attention to how each word is used, and we'll make sure all the main words are included and clearly highlighted. Paragraph section. Emma decided to set a strict budget before going shopping for her new apartment. She browsed the furniture section, carefully comparing prices to find affordable options. Her cart was soon filled with discounted items, thanks to a seasonal discount sale. After making her selections, she joined the queue at the checkout counter, where the cashier quickly processed her receipt. Emma felt like a satisfied customer but realized she might need to exchange one item for a better fit. Overall, her shopping experience was smooth and within her planned budget. Fantastic! Now let's expand this paragraph into a short essay, adding more details while keeping all the vocabulary words bold or italicized for easy reference. Short essay section. Emma loved shopping but always kept her budget in mind. She planned her trip during a major discount season to make the most of her money. As she entered the store, she began to browse through the aisles, looking for affordable furniture for her new apartment. Her cart quickly filled with items that caught her eye. When she was done, Emma joined the queue at the checkout counter. Cashier was friendly and handed her a detailed receipt after completing the transaction. Emma left the store feeling like a smart customer who had made the most of her shopping trip. However, when she got home, she realized one of the chairs didn't fit her decor, so she planned to exchange it the next day. Emma's shopping trip was a success, thanks to careful planning and smart decisions. You're doing amazing! Now let's dive deeper into Emma's shopping adventure with a longer essay. We'll make sure all the main vocabulary words are included and properly highlighted. Long essay section. Emma had always been a careful shopper. Before heading out, she prepared a budget to avoid overspending. She had her eye on a big discount sale at the local furniture store, which was known for its affordable and stylish items. As she entered the store, she took her time to browse through each aisle, comparing prices and checking quality. Her cart began to fill with items she needed for her new apartment, including a table, chairs, and some decor. Emma felt proud of herself for finding such great deals. When it was time to check out, she noticed a long queue at the checkout counter. Patiently waiting her turn, she observed the cashier working efficiently to handle the rush of customers. When it was finally her turn, the cashier greeted her warmly and processed her purchase quickly. Emma kept her receipt carefully, knowing it might be useful if she needed to return anything. Later at home, she realized one of the chairs didn't match the rest of her furniture. Fortunately, the store's policy allowed her to exchange the chair for another one. Overall, Emma's shopping trip was a great success. Thanks to her planning and focus, she stayed within her budget, found amazing discounts, and enjoyed the process of making her new apartment feel like home. Well done, everyone! Today, you've mastered 10 new words about shopping, practiced them in sentences, and explored how they fit into paragraphs and essays. Remember, highlighting and practicing these words will help you use them naturally in conversations. Tomorrow, we'll explore another exciting topic, so stay tuned. See you for day 15 and keep boosting your English one word at a time.